28. Organisms that have two identical alleles for a particular trait are said to be hybrid, homozygous, or heterozygous. 29. Chromosomes form tetrads during prophase 1 of meiosis, metaphase 1 of meiosis, or anaphase 2 of meiosis. Number 30. Gene maps are based on the frequencies of crossing over between genes, genetic diversity, or the number of genes in a cell. Number 31. What is produced during transcription? A. mRNA molecules, B. tRNA molecules, or D. proteins. Number 32. What happens during the process of translation? A. Messenger RNA is made from DNA. B. The cell uses information from messenger RNA to produce proteins. Or C. Messenger RNA is made from transfer RNA. Number 33. In eukaryotes, DNA, A is located in the nucleus, C is located in the ribosomes, or D is circular. Number 34. Why is it possible for an amino acid to be specified by more than one kind of codon? A. Some different codons yield the same amino acid. B. Each codon yields a different amino acid. Or D. The codon AUG codes for the amino acid methionine and serves as the start codon for protein synthesis. So which one of those tells why it's possible for an amino acid to be specified by more than one kind of codon? 35. During DNA replication, a DNA strand that has the bases CTAGGT produces a strand with the bases. So which of those goes with that when we're replicating DNA? 36. How many main types of RNA are there? 3, hundreds, or thousands? 37. Go ahead and take a close look at the figure up there. 37 asks, if the codon of the mRNA is AAG, what amino acid is it specifying? Lysine, alanine, or the stop codon? So you go ahead and look up there and look up AAG and see what it leads you to. Number 38. Genes contain instructions for assembling purines, nucleosomes, or proteins. Number 39. A promoter is a binding site for RNA polymerase, a start signal for transcription, or a stop signal for transcription. Number 40. Avery's experiments showed that bacteria are transformed by DNA, proteins, or carbohydrates. Number 41. A mutation that involves one or a few nucleotides is called a chromosomal mutation, point mutation, or translocation if it only involves one or a few nucleotides. Number 42. Hox genes determine an animal's basic body plan, skin color, or eye color. 43. Figure 12.1 labeled X, so that little square thing in there, shows the structure of a nucleotide, RNA molecule, or protein. Number 44. The shape of a molecule in 12.1 is described as, so now they're talking about the whole thing. Is that called A, single strand, B, a double helix, or D, a globular form? Number 45. RNA contains the sugar ribose, deoxyribose, or lactose. Remember, we're talking about RNA. Number 46. Breeders induce mutations in organisms in order to A, increase diversity in populations, B, make organisms more alike, or D, produce organisms with undesirable characteristics. Number 47. Which of the following have been produced by selective breeding? Horse breeds, cat breeds, dog breeds, or all of the above? Number 48. What kind of cell or cells were used to make Dolly, the cloned sheep? A, a body cell only, B, an egg cell only, or D, a body cell and an egg cell? Number 49. Which of the following is most likely to bring together two recessive alleles for a genetic defect? A, inbreeding, B, hybridization, or C, genetic engineering? Number 50. A DNA molecule produced by combining DNA from different sources is known as a mutant, a polyploid, or recombinant DNA. Number 51. Non-disjunction can involve autosomes, sex chromosomes, homologous chromosomes, or all of the above. 52. Human females produce egg cells that have one X chromosome, one X or one Y chromosome, or one X and one Y chromosome. Number 53. The failure of chromosomes to separate during meiosis is called non-disjunction, Turner's syndrome, or Down syndrome. 54. In a pedigree, a circle represents a female, a child, or an adult. 55. Color blindness is more common in males than in females because A, fathers pass the allele for color blindness to their sons only, C, the allele for color blindness is recessive and located on the X chromosome, or D, males who are colorblind have 2 copies of the allele for color blindness. Number 56. Gene therapy is successful if the A, viruses carrying the replacement gene infect the person's cells, B, the replacement gene is replicated in the person's cells, or C, the replacement gene is transcribed into proteins by the person's cells. Number 57. Which of the following can be observed in a karyotype? A change in a DNA base, B, an extra chromosome, or C, genes? Number 58. In humans, a male has B, 2 X chromosomes, C, 1 X chromosome and 1 Y chromosome, or D, 2 Y chromosomes. Number 59. Most sex-linked genes are located on A, the autosomes, B, the X chromosome only, or C, the Y chromosome only. Number 60. Which of the following genotypes result in the same phenotype? You'll have to look at those closely in order to figure that out. It's not an easy thing to read. 61. A white cat that has spots of 2 different colors. B, must be a male. C, must be a female. Or D, may be a male or a female. 62. Because the X chromosome contains genes that are vital for normal development, no baby has been born B, with 3 X chromosomes, C, without an X chromosome, or D, with 4 X chromosomes. Number 63. What percentage of human sperm cells carry an X chromosome?